Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create right border in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first open your Google Sheets file. Firstly then show the Google Sheets file is the create right border. Now you can see is the select from the area is create right border. Now going to the menu option. Now click with the border option, then click with the right border option. That is, then again another place select. Now going to the border menu option. Now click with the right border option. That's it. Then show the create right border in Google Sheets. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for